relative value of currencies, relative value of currencies purchasing power. वैसे ऐसे देखा जाए तो we are very low, but on the basis of purchasing power parity we are very highly growing. So again, purchasing power parity also determine the economic development of a nation. Human Development Index. What are the factors of Human Development Index? Yes, Pankaj. Yes. ये तो है ही, साथ साथ में आज के डेट में नया कंसेप्ट और आ रहा है, वुमन एम्पावरमेंट इंडेक्स। चलो कि किसी सोसाइटी में हाउ मच वुमन इज आल्सो देयर हु इज सपोज टू बी, आई सेड दैट कि दे आर व्हाट इज एन एम्पावर और नॉट. So literacy, life longevity, and then I said that which one? Per capita income. These are the three are there, but at the same time we started talking about woman empowerment index. कि how much they are, what is an empower, and how much strong in the society. Then we can be able to say that there is a woman development index. और आज के डेट में यदि मैं maternity की बात कर रहा हूँ social में, then you can think of. Understood? तो सोशल डेवलपमेंट एंड इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट टू, सोशल में हेल्थ एंड एजुकेशन इज देयर, हेल्थ एंड एजुकेशन इज देयर, बट हमें मैटरनिटी एंड अदर सेक्शन को धीरे धीरे हम लोग इंक्लूड करते जा रहे हैं. सो विच आर द टू अदर मेजर्स, विच आर द टू अदर मेजर्स डिटरमाइनिंग द इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ए नेशन? परचेसिंग पावर पैरिटी एंड ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स. अंडरस्टूड? Next one is, I said that Kuznets curve or Kuznets. और ये ग्राफ I have drawn you earlier also. This is for inequality and it is what? Per capita growth, economic development, जो भी ले लें. So when India is in this position, India अभी कहाँ पर है? Here it is, according to Kuznets. So when the economic development is going on, society में क्या दिख रहा है? Because who does economic prosperity of a nation? Who does economic prosperity of a nation? First, in the initial level, when the economic prosperity is increasing, then the concentration of wealth will be in few hands. Yes, concentration of wealth will be in the what? In few hand, and then slowly and slowly it means inequality. जैसे जैसे economic development is taking place, inequality in the society, the wealth is in the few hand, and large people have less economically prosper. So large people have less, so there will be inequality in the society. But to an extent, after that what happened? Again, India will become one day very highly economically developed is becoming. That day, inequality in the society is very high. Inequality in the society will be what? Very high. Understood? लेकिन इसके बाद क्या हो जाएगा? There will be what is ना? Spreading effect will start taking place. जो economically growth हो चुका है, then those money that the nation is having started developing in the development of other sectors. अब वो पैसा कहां डालने लग जाएंगे? Further, अब यहां पर क्या हो गया? So many people are rich. India is economically developed. This much economic developed. यहां से यहां तक पहुंच चुका है. But the inequality in the society is increased. Slowly and slowly, so welfare programs started. welfare programs. जब money and then I said that technology and each and everything is there, then they started doing what? Welfare. And then slowly and slowly it is in a spread effect. What will happen? A spread effect. And there will be, what is in a, I said that this economic prosperity by done some few people started, what is in a, distributing in the other. And then slowly and slowly it will bring, decrease the inequality in the society. Equality तो नहीं आ सकता completely, but it will reduce the inequality. It will reduce inequality. Understood? And it will reduce what? Inequality. Why in poor countries economic growth increases inequality and in rich countries economic growth decreases inequality? समझ में आया? Why in poor countries economic growth increases inequality? Why in poor countries economic growth increases inequality? समझ में आ रहा है? Then first, जैसे ही economic growth होगा in a nation, then what will happen? Just tell me. The money will go into the hand of what? Few. And then those who are workers and all, they will be large in number. And in rich countries, जहाँ पे already economic development यहाँ तक पहुँच चुके हैं, तो यहाँ पर अब further आप economic development करोगे, they will what? Reduce the inequality, not increase the inequality. Understood it? जैसे जैसे आपका income economic development होते जा रहा है, that it will what? You will start giving. पहले आप देखोगे, just अपने घर को ये assume करें, and your one person is highly working and money कमा रहे हैं, तो एक दिन वो बड़े हो जाते हैं, तब तक आप लोगों को कुछ मनी नहीं देते हैं because he is growing up, but slowly and slowly he coming up and long, become strong enough, then he started spreading and others started also growing. So it takes time. It never takes what is an initial stage. So initial stage economic development led to inequality, but slowly and slowly economic development led to what? Decrease in inequality. So the developed nation जहाँ पे inequality is less, decreasing, that means economic development is increasing. Economic development includes shifting from agriculture to industry and services and other adoption of new technology. Initially benefits mainly a minority of population. Initially which population will get the effect and benefit of it? Minority of population, it will go into the few hand. And as the new methods of production become widespread, the benefits from economic development are shared more evenly and higher per capita GDP tends to reduce the inequality. So जैसे जैसे आपका GDP और economic development बढ़ता चला जाएगा in per capita income, वैसे वैसे slowly and slowly your what? Inequality in the society will keep on decreasing. Understood? I said that structural transformation measures. We have seen till now economic measures, social measures, demographic measures, and then we have seen other measures like purchasing power parity and women development index. Now Kuznets curve हमने देखा. इसके बाद देखा structural transformation measures. Which one I said that? Structural transformation rate of transformation, structural transformation. Greater the pace of transformation, the more effective economic development in affecting the lives of the people. जितना जल्दी infrastructural transformation होगा, as the fast structural transformation measures. India, if you see in the last few years and 10 to 15 years, that they're trying to increase the what? Infrastructural development. रोड से क्या हो जाएगा? More fast of what is the production? What is I said? The raw materials coming to the industry, and from the industry produced good is going to the what? Market. Coming and going. Fast it becomes. You are reducing the time. Yes or not? Road आपको क्या कर रहा है? Reducing the time. And best transportation network also reduces transportation cost. Yes, अभी इंडिया क्या किसके बारे में बात कर रहा है अब? Now he started talking about waterways, increasing inland waterways, national waterways, which is the most cheapest transportation network. तो जितना पानी में करोगे, 25 rupees is the transportation cost of road, then 20 rupees is the transportation cost of railway, and 1 rupee is the transportation cost of waterway. तो आप सेम चीज को किससे ले जाओगे? वाटरवे. अंडरस्टूड? और यही एक कारण है, I said that if you talk about Visakhapatnam steel plant is here, he is not taking coal from, कहां से नहीं ले रहा है? सिंगारेनी, और neither from the Jharkhand and Odisha. थोड़ा बहुत लेता है, थोड़ा बहुत, but maximum it is importing through the Australia. Why? Why? Waterway transportation network is the cheapest. Instead of bringing the coal from here, he is bringing, what is it, from where? Yes, tell me, कहां से ला रहा है? समझ में आ गया? So I said that जितना जल्दी हमारे यहाँ development of infrastructure. Yes, tell me, what are the infrastructure for the manufacturing industry? मतलब क्या हमारे लिए क्या infrastructure development चाहिए हमें? हाँ? यस, स्मार्ट सिटी है क्यों? थ्रेशोल्ड मार्केट